All right, so we're done. My son and I, we finished. Holy crap. Front was easier than the back, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It just seemed like less time. Well, the front only took us a day, so that's 2-inch drop spindle, Beltec in the front, and a 3-inch drop spring with new Beltec Street Performance shocks, and man, are they stiff. 18 by 8 squared wheels, 4.5 backspace, 235/45 18s on the front. 235/45, did I say that? 245/45 18s on the back. And to be honest with you, I could probably go 255 or 265. I'm not looking to tuck the back really, but it's a 6-inch drop in the back. We put 3-inch drop leafs on the back, and we did 3-inch blocks with a 2-degree shim. And then that's how it's sitting. We're really happy with the stance. And what I'll do is I'm going to have to cut the bump stop bracket, the support, and go down another inch in the back, I think, and then that'll be it. Just to give you an idea. It's an 87 long bed. You can see the wheel. They go in. So this side. So that's it. This is super low. You want to get the stick? Get the over there. We'll throw the measuring. Here, do that side. The light's over here, shining from the sun. So at the bottom of that fender from the wheel, it's just under 25 inches. So 25, 24 and maybe 3/4. So before measuring it, before dropping it, it actually went down more than I thought, because I thought it was 29 inches, wasn't it? So that's it. That's my 87 long bed with the U117 wheels and 5/6 drop. You want to do a quick start up? Go ahead and start it.
Is the key in there?
Yeah. Probably don't even have to go in if you don't want. It's a little low idle just because you didn't hear the gas earlier. Shut it off and we'll pop the hood, I guess. And thank you. All right, then just pop that. Son's gonna. Yeah, this doesn't open up, and we can just show it. I mean, I'll show it. Just a basic carburetor 350. 30 over. It's just an Edelbrock ABS too. I like it, but I'm gonna put an HEI on there. So, all right, shut the hood, please. That's it, man. Extremely happy, guys. Really happy. So, thanks for watching. And thank you for your awesome help. It's my oldest son.